find uh, the derivative of the function at x is equal to 1 when fx is equal to mod x. So under those circumstances, the question will be solved as it is, but the answer will always be 1 for whatever be the value of a. उसको तो आप standard याद रख लें. हाँ, we can change the value of fx as maybe x plus 1 mod or maybe x plus 1 mod minus x mod. So but the method to solve the question is same. Clear? If the value of the mod is positive, then you have to write here positive value. And if you will feel that a minus h comes, a minus h goes to negative, then a minus h will be written as minus a minus h. In case a minus h goal is less than 0. Clear? So I hope this is clear. But if fx is given mod x, whatever be the value of x, maybe I have taken the general value a, it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer will always be 1. I hope this is clear to you, Prachu.
Yes, sir.
इसको नोट कर लो. Please note this.
Excuse me, sir.
जी सर.
सर ये कैसे पता लगेगा कि मोड की नेगेटिव वैल्यू है?
नहीं, वो तो ये तो फिर आपको चेक ही करना पड़ेगा ना बेटा. अब देखो यहाँ x इज इक्वल टू a माइनस एच है. a आपके पास एक पॉजिटिव वैल्यू है. अब पॉजिटिव वैल्यू में से अगर मैं h क्या है, h इज अ वेरी स्मॉल वैल्यू. इफ आई विल सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 1 सपोज 0.0001 मैं उसमें से माइनस करूं तो मेरे पास पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट आएगा. So you have to check it from your substitution. When you substitute x as a something, at that time you will come to know. Suppose if he's saying x is equal to minus a, then this is minus a minus h. तो ये बन गया. अब माइनस में a में से अगर कुछ मैं माइनस करूंगा तो ये लेस देन 0 होगा. तो under those circumstances I have to write it as a minus a minus of h. So ultimately it will become a plus h. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Note karo so that then let me know. We'll move to the next.
Noted, sir.
So एक बात आपको ध्यान रखनी है, जो mod x है that is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. x is equal to 0 पे ये differentiate नहीं होगा, because at x is equal to 0 the function becomes undefined. तो इसलिए इसको आप ध्यान रखना है कि x is equal to 0 पे इसका डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा. mod x is equal to x. चलिए, come to the next question. He's saying y is equal to sin x plus y under root. Find dy by dx. अब देखिए, जब आपके पास इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आता है तो what you have to do, it is always difficult to differentiate under root. So we will try to break this under root first by doing squaring both sides. This is the shortcut way to solve the question. वो वैसे भी जाएगा पर लंबा होगा. What is the shortcut way? First you will make the square on both sides. So this is y square is equal to sin x plus y. Now you can differentiate with respect to x. So this is 2y is to dy by dx is equal to cos x plus dy by dx. So take dy by dx to the side. 2y minus 1, which is equal to cos x. So my dy by dx, this is cos x upon 2y minus 1. This is the shortcut shortest way to solve this question. Otherwise, I can also solve this question like this. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2, then sin x plus y raised to power minus 1 by 2 is to derivative of sin x plus y. Then further one more step, then further one more step. So it is always a divisible when one side has a under root and one side is a free from under root. You do the square on both sides, then differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. This is the simplest way to solve the question. Prachi, I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
चलिए. Next question is, now I'm going to discuss one question of log. This is 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Now see, here, clear cut because it is a log. Log is a tool with us to simplify the expression. So with the help of log, I will write log 1 minus x square minus log 1 plus x square. So मैंने log लेके formula लगा दिया. Now I can differentiate it after taking the log. My dy by dx log of x 1 over is to derivative of 1 is 0 minus 1 over is to derivative of this is 2x minus 2x upon 1 minus 0 minus 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now take the LCM and solve. आगे इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं. This question can come like this. Y is equal to tan inverse this. So under those circumstances, you put x is equal to cos theta. Tan theta, sorry. X is equal to tan theta. 1 minus here must be cos inverse if it will be in the part of MCQ. So this is the value of tan 2 theta. Sorry, cos sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta in the term of tan. So cos inverse and cos goes. So y is equal to 2 theta. Substitute the value of theta as y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now you can find out the differentiation dy by dx is equal to 2 is to 1 over 1 plus x square. So this question can be like this. So everything you have to keep it in your mind. All the things we do. So yesterday also I discussed one question of this type. He's saying uh, find find derivative of cos inverse with respect to cos inverse. मैंने कल भी आपको ये बात समझाई थी. Try to do this with the help of the trigonometry. Try to make it simple with the help of trigonometry. If I will write it as a P. So if I will put as a x as a cos theta, so what should be P? So 2 cos square theta minus 1, this is equal to cos 2 theta. Cos inverse and cos 2, it is 2 theta P. So my Q, again, this is cos inverse x. So I have to divide P by Q. The answer यहाँ से मेरे को clear cut नजर आ रहा है कि the answer should be 2. Clear? So here the value of P is 2 is 2. Theta is cos inverse x. So dP by dx minus 1 over dq by dx 1 over negative. So dP by dq I want to find out. So this is dP by dx dq by dx. So dP by dx, this is minus 2x upon 1 minus x square under root. Then minus 1 upon 1 minus x square under root. If this goes, the answer is 2. So शायद उस क्वेश्चन में भी आंसर हमारा 2 ही था. So you have to see this. If same value is there, which is given here, in most of the cases, the answer will be 2. In most of the cases, if you are in a hurry, you have less time, and more questions you have to finish. So under those circumstances, you can guess. Prachi, are you there? Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Noted.
On to the next question. Find the derivative of y is equal to log sin x under root. So we will apply the chain rule in solving this question because here is log sin x raised to power 1 by 2. First, we will differentiate this 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log sin x raised to power minus 1 by 2 is 2. Derivative of log sin x. 1 by 2 log sin x is 2. Or derivative of log sin x, so this is 1 over sin x because I have differentiated log. Now again next is sin x, to derivative of sin x. So which is 1 by 2 under root sin x under root log sin x is 2 derivative of sin x cos x. So this is cos x upon 2 under root sin x under root log sin x dy by dx. This is the answer.
Sir, can we also use that shortcut of squaring both sides?
Yes. Y square is equal to log sin x. Now this is a complete function. This is not a separate function. So this is 2y dy by dx is equal to 1 upon sin x is to derivative of sin x. This is cos x. So 2y dy by dx is equal to cot x. So my dy by dx, this is equal to cot x upon 2y. The value of y is given, substitute the value of y here to get the final answer. So cot x upon 2 is 2, the value of y is log sin x. This is the answer. तो उसको अगर मैं थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करने की कोशिश करूंगा,
Yes, sir. Same answer is coming.
तो come to the next question. हाँ, एक ये भी इस तरह का क्वेश्चन भी थोड़ा सा देख लो, थोड़ा सा दिमाग में हो, आपको आता होता है बट कई बार दिमाग से चीजें नहीं निकलती, आती नहीं उस टाइम पे. tan inverse cot x, find dy by dx. अब इसके केस के अंदर one way is to do dy by dx is equal to the function tan का इसका tan inverse का differentiation, because the differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square. So in place of x, I am going to put cot x is 2. Derivative of cot x, chain rule. So 1 over 1 plus cot square x is to derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x. So minus cosecant square x upon 1 plus cot x. So 1 plus cot x is equal to cosecant square x. This is the one method to solve this question as we do with the help of the formula. Or the second method is to solve this question is express cot in the term of tan. ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना. I have expressed cot in the term of tan. Tan inverse and it goes y is equal to y by 2 minus x, differentiate with respect to x. So this is a constant with 0, derivative of x minus 1, so answer is minus 1. So this is a bit short as compared to this. In the same way, this question is saying y is equal to sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. Find dy by dx. Now, in inverse trigonometry, we have the formula. We know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So y is equal to pi by 2. So dy by dx is equal to 0. So the answer is 0. The second option is you can differentiate with and apply with the formula. dy by dx, derivative of sin inverse x, 1 over 1 minus x square minus derivative of cos inverse x, 1 over 1 minus x square. I have put negative. So it goes. The answer is 0. So both the methods are correct. आपके दिमाग में तब क्या आता है, but keep the formulas in your mind in case of these type of questions. Sin inverse x, cos inverse pi by 2, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse pi by 2. So if you got find that the derivative of sin inverse x is cos inverse x, so you can apply this method, this formula, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x, then you can go with this secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x, then you will go with this. So these are all the techniques which will make your question shorter. Now, I'm going to discuss one case study from this. This is statement 1. 1 minus x upon 1 plus x under root. This is y. Then statement 2. No, Swat, Prachi, solve this. Y is equal to this, then this is equal to this. अब इसको solve करके देखो कि ये true है कि false है. Because this is clear that if I will solve statement 2, derivative of log x is always 1 by x. Derivative of log x, this is 1 by x. So, but he is saying x. So, statement 2 is false. What about statement 1? Statement 1, check. Hurry up. Are you doing?
Yes, sir.
No, without it. हाँ जी बेटा.
Sir, do
अच्छा, is it doing? Okay. Okay.
Sir, I think it's false.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Sir, false.
False. This is false. Okay. अच्छा, let me see. मैं कोशिश करके देखूं. चलिए. Y square is equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. 2y dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x as it is derivative of this is minus 1 minus 1 minus x as it is derivative of 1 plus x, this is plus 1. Minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x upon minus 2 upon 1 plus x whole square 2y dy by dx. So this 2 goes with this. So y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x whole square. So the value of dy by dx, this is equal to minus 1 upon y is to 1 plus x whole square. This is my dy by dx. So if I multiply to get it, I multiply both sides by 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square is 2 dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x square is to minus 1 upon because my y is this, I can substitute the value of y to get dy by dx, whether this dy by dx comes equal to this or not. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 because this statement is true. 1 minus under root x 1 plus under root x is to 1 plus x whole square. So which is equal to minus 1 upon 1 minus under root x 1 plus x is to 1 plus under root x because 1 plus under root x has cancelled. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 over 1 minus x square under root is to 1 plus x cross multiply. We have 1 minus x square under root is to dy by dx, which is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x. Now, if I'll multiply 1 minus x square under root on both sides, तो एक बार देखें, ये देखिए 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अंडर रूट से मैंने दोनों तरफ मल्टीप्लाई किया, इधर भी dy by dx और यहाँ भी 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अंडर रूट से किया, तो नीचे हमारे पास है 1 प्लस एक्स. So this can be written as 1 plus x under root is to 1 plus x under root. So इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, it will be 1 minus x square dy by dx, which is equal to 1 minus x under root is to 1 plus x under root upon 1 plus x under root is to 1 plus x under root, and sign is negative. ये negative sign, तो ये cancel. So this is 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to minus 1 minus x प्लस ओवर 1 प्लस एक्स अंडर रूट ये किसके बराबर है, y के बराबर. So this is 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So that means this statement is true. So here what should be the answer? Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. True. Statement 2 is false.
So can you repeat the step on the left hand side? Dy by dx is equals to minus 1. Let's see. Yes.
So dy by dx, this is equal to, see, I have substituted the value of y here. See, ये है मेरी y. यहाँ से मैं गया यहाँ. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. What is my y? Y is given as this. 1 minus x over 1 plus x under root. So I have written 1 minus x under root over 1 plus x under root multiply by 1 plus x whole square. तो यहाँ से इसको सॉल्व किया तो अब ये 1 plus x whole square है तो ये हो गया 1 plus x under root is to 1 plus x under root is to 1 plus x. तो इसको मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया तो ये 1 plus x अंडर रूट एक इससे कट गया तो बाकी मेरे पास क्या बच गया 1 plus x अंडर रूट एंड 1 plus x. तो ये मैंने लिख दिया 1 plus x अंडर रूट एंड 1 plus x. This is 1 minus x under root, this is 1 minus x under root. So 1 minus x multiplied by 1 plus x, this will be 1 minus x square under root and 1 plus x as it is with you. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो इसके बाद मैं गया यहाँ पे, ये ऊपर, यहाँ से यहाँ से हमने इसको सॉल्व करना शुरू किया. तो बेटा थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस और कर तो कल फिर एक बार इसकी डिफिकल्टीज ले लेंगे, कुछ और डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करूंगा, इस तरह के टाइप्स डिस्कस करूंगा. ट्राई टू रिमेंबर द टाइप्स नॉट द क्वेश्चंस कि मॉड वाले टाइप आ गए तो क्या करना, अंडर रूट वाले टाइप आ गई तो क्या करना, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री वाले टाइप आ गई तो क्या करना. तो ट्राई टू रिमेंबर द थिंग्स बाय टाइप. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir.